What's the key to vitality and well-being? Hormonal harmony. Let's talk about it. Hormones are biochemical messengers produced by the glands in your body that keep your body healthy, run your metabolism, your reproduction, your growth, your immunity. So it's incredibly important that you maintain hormonal harmony. If your hormones are out of balance, your health will suffer. The most effective way to keep your hormones balanced is to support optimal hypothalamus function. There are 5 pillars to hypothalamus health. 1. Get adequate sleep, at least 7 to 9 hours in the dark. 2. Learn to manage your stress response. Mind-body techniques, deep breathing can help. 3. Get adequate exercise, at least 20 to 30 minutes of aerobic exercise 3 to 5 times per week. 4. Nourish your body. The Mediterranean diet is one of the best for hypothalamic health and hormonal balance, especially avoiding sugar, eating healthy fat like virgin olive oil, mid-chain fatty acids and omega-3 fatty acid fish, increasing daily fiber. You might want to include some green tea in your diet because it has anti-inflammatory effects. Men's hormonal harmony is sensitive to excess alcohol. Women can be affected by hormone-laden dairy products. And for children, to maintain proper hormones for growth and development, they need to avoid processed carbs. Support your hypothalamus nutraceutically is number 5. Consuming 𝐒𝐿 daily, just 4 grams per 50 pounds of body weight, can keep your hormones in harmony. If you have any questions about hormonal harmony, please join us in our free hormone reboot training. I'll see you in the next video.